Machine learning and data science, often used interchangeably, represent distinct fields within the vast realm of technology and data analysis. Data science, a broader field than machine learning, involves processes such as data collection, cleaning, exploration, visualization, modeling, and communication. Data scientists work closely with stakeholders to translate objectives into actionable insights. Data scientists work with large and complex datasets that employ strategies for collection, cleaning, transformation, and organization. Data visualization is a key aspect of data science, using charts and graphs to communicate complex data and findings in a clear and meaningful way. Data wrangling, the process of transforming and reshaping data, is crucial for data scientists to ensure it is in the right format for analysis. Data exploration, the initial step in the data science process, involves examining and visualizing data to gain a deeper understanding of its characteristics, patterns, and relationships. Data modeling is the creation of mathematical or statistical models capturing relationships and patterns in the data. Data engineering, a critical component of data science, focuses on designing and maintaining data infrastructure and systems for efficient processing and analysis. Data science extends beyond analysis to include the development of data products, such as recommendation systems and fraud detection algorithms. Effective data communication is a key skill for data scientists, requiring the ability to explain complex concepts and results to non-technical audiences. Meanwhile, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions without explicit programming. Machine learning includes supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, each serving different purposes in tasks such as classification, clustering, and decision-making. Data science encompasses various processes, while machine learning specifically focuses on developing algorithms for automated decision-making. Both fields share similarities, such as working with data, requiring strong foundations in mathematics and statistics, and utilizing programming languages like Python, R, and SQL. In a nutshell, machine learning and data science, though intertwined, are distinct fields with unique focuses and applications.